Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is Islam? Lecture 1. Let's discuss the concept. The word Islam originates from an Arabic triliteral root verb, what we call salama in Arabic, as written salama. It literally means peace, submission, and obedience. In a more religious context, Islam refers to the total submission, obedience, and surrender to the will of God, to the wish of God, to the power of God. More broadly, Islam means seeking peace. But what is meant by seeking peace? What we call Islam. It means living in peace with oneself, with other people, and other creatures in the world. In fact, Islam envisions a system of life, documents a system of life, a way of life in peace, both spiritually and physically, attained through the will of God, through the command of God, wish of God. That is basically the fundamental concept of Islam. Now let's review the idea about Islam. The word Islam originates from an Arabic triliteral root verb salama. It literally means peace, submission, and obedience. In a religious context, Islam refers to the total submission, obedience, and surrender to the will of God. More broadly, Islam means seeking peace. We continue. But what is meant by seeking peace? What we call Islam? It means living in peace with oneself, with other people, and with other creatures in the world. In fact, Islam envisions a system of life in peace, both spiritually and physically, attained through the will of God. This is the basic concept of the faith of Islam. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.